Hello sir, I am Women Indilero and today I'm going to discuss about my midterm project for NAV 122. My project is all about calculating compass error. Naming of compass error. If the variation and deviation is of the same name, add their values and affix to the result. CE, their common name. Number 2. If the variation and deviation have different names, subtract the lesser from the greater value and affix to the result. CE, the name of the greater value. Below is the composition of compass error equals to variation plus deviation. Compass error equals deviation minus variation. Example in finding compass error. A case will arise when the deviation of the ship's compass is required. In this case, the name of the variation is changed to opposite. Given that compass error is equals to 4 degrees east and the variation is equals to 15 degrees east, find the deviation. Solution. Variation 4 degrees east, compass error is equals to 4 degrees east. So 4 degrees east minus 15 degrees east equals to deviation is equals to 11 degrees west. So to find the deviation, again, variation equals to 15 degrees west, CE is equals to 20 degrees west, the deviation is equals to 5 degrees west. To find the compass error, we have the deviation and variation. If they have the same units, you will add it. So 5 degrees east of deviation and 10 degrees east of variation is equals to 15 degrees east. So we find again in different units. The deviation is 10 degrees west and the variation is 7.5 degrees east. So we have to subtract it. So the compass error is equals to 2.5 degrees west. Sample number 2. A vessel is on a course of 215 through in the area where the variation is 7 degrees west. The deviation is 1.5 degrees west. A lighthouse bears 406.5 degrees by magnetic compass. Solution. Given that the true course is equals to 215 through and the variation is equals to 7 degrees west, deviation is equals to 1.5 degrees west, compass bearing is equals to 306.5 degrees. So to find the magnetic course, we have to add the true course and the variation. So 215 degrees plus 7 degrees is equals to 222 degrees. To find the compass course, we have to add the magnetic course and the deviation. So 222 plus 1.5 degrees west is equals to 223.5 degrees. So to get the compass error, we have to add the variation and deviation because they have the same units. So 7 degrees plus 1.5 degrees is equals to 8.5 degrees west. And also to get the magnetic bearing, we have to subtract the compass bearing to the deviation. 306.5 degrees minus 1.5 degrees west is equals to 305 degrees. So, and to achieve the true bearing of the lighthouse, we have to subtract the magnetic bearing and the variation. So 305 minus 7 is equals to 298 true. So that is their true bearing. So to achieve the relative bearing, we have to subtract 298. We have to subtract the true bearing and the true course. So 298 minus 215 is equals to 83 degrees relative. The term sailings. So we are going to go about the sailings. It refers to the mathematical solution of the problems involving the finding of courses and distance from one known point to another. For short distances, these problems are easily solved directly on chart. But for long distances, mathematical solution is often a better method. We have the kinds of sailing. There are 5 main types of sailings: parallel sailing, plain sailing, middle latitude sailing, Mercator sailing, great circle sailing, and the other two modified are transverse sailing and composite great circle sailing. I have chosen parallel sailing for my calculations. Parallel sailing means along parallel of latitude, maintaining a true course of east 90 degrees or 270 degrees. The distance sailed would be the departure at that latitude, and its formula is cosine latitude equals departure over difference longitude. My calculation. Your ship in initial position latitude 40 degrees south and its longitude is 10 degrees east on a course of 270 through and the distance traveled of 300 nautical miles. Find the final position. So let's not forget about the formula of parallel sailing, that is cosine latitude equals to departure over d long. So first we have to find the d long. Departure is equals to 300 nautical miles over cosine 40. So first we gonna solve the cosine 40. So cosine 40 is equals to 0.7660. So therefore 300 nautical miles divided by 0.7660 is equals to 390.6, or we convert it to degrees, which is 6 degrees 31 minutes and 6 seconds west. And we find the long final position. So longitude A is equals to 10 degrees east and the D long is equals to 6 degrees 31.6 west. So the longitude B will be 3 degrees 28.4 minutes east. So parallel sailing calculation, my calculation number 2. Your vessel is sailing for 20 degrees north and longitude of 80 degrees east to the latitude 20 degrees north and the longitude of 110 degrees east. Determine your course and distance. So finding the D low, formula cos lat equals to departure over D low. So longitude A is equals to 80 degrees east and longitude B is equals to 110 degrees east. D low is equals to 30 degrees east or 1800 minutes east. So find the departure over distance. Departure is equals to d long times cosine latitude. So 1800 minutes times cosine 20 degrees. So the answer of distance will be 1691.4 nautical miles. So the true course is equals to 90 degrees true. Thank you.